In this video, we are going to see how we can highlight our alternative range of your data. Okay, so you can see I have here data as a date, employee, and amount. I want to highlight the second one, then the fourth one. Okay, so likewise, if you have the rows and you want to just highlight them alternatively, you can use as a macros code that you can use it if you save at a one time with the your if you have a same kind of a data at the same always, and you want to highlight alternatively, so you can use this one. So go to developer tab and click on the visual basic, or you can use as a shortcut alt F11 for the developer tab shortcut. Then you will see this uh, windows. Okay, so for this is for our like Microsoft Visual Basic application. Now at the top you have this project, all the project sheet. Okay, VBA project, you can see here all the sheets whenever whichever you have opened, that you can easily see here. Now at the bottom you have the all created module for each sheet. Okay, so what is the sheet name I have now? Alternative range highlight. So yeah, there is, you can find it out and click or right click on that and go to module. Okay, so after that you created this module. Okay, so the code is a very simple substitute. It means that you are starting your code, and then what is the name of your code. So what he is doing as a highlighting alternative rows. Okay, now we are declaring the variable. Okay, so here we can start with the highlighting alternative rows, and then set a reference for worksheet that contains the data using our set ws. Okay, so for worksheet statement. Now the last row variable is used to find the last row with your data in the column, whichever the like a column A. Okay, so an rng is a variable. It's set to the range that include the data into your formatted. Okay, so in this case you can see it start from A2 and goes up to the last row as a C. Okay, so A to C. Okay, now for is a loop runs through the rows from 2 to last row. Okay, so set up like step of 2, which means it will only process alternative rows. Okay, for the alternative rows we are performing. Now then within a loop, the background color with the color set the light blue. Okay, so we are setting up the light blue as a color. You can see there with the color. Okay, so color is here, and then we are highlighting them. Okay, so whenever you save when you save this code and then click on the run, you can see my alternative codes are it's converted in the light blue. Okay, from I started from A2 to C, that's why it started from A2. If you want from A, you can start from A1. Okay, let's try, but I have to first clear this one. Okay, so what will be the range? A1 to C. If you have lot more range, then A1 to A13. Okay, as you want, you can change the range from range. Okay, so this is how we can see our code will be alternative rows are highlighted. Okay, so this is and then you can run and you can save it in the macros. You can use from here also if you want. Whenever you want, you can just choose from here and run it, or you can do as an insert button. After you click on the insert button, here is the all your created one. You can see where is the alternative, what was the name for that. You can see from here highlighted. Okay, so highlighted alternative rows. Okay, let's see where is the highlighted alternative rows name is this one, and click on OK. So that this button is assigned from this code, whatever we wrote in the Visual Basics. Okay, if you click on this, that will becoming the highlighted alternative range, whatever we selected. Okay, so this is all about how we can highlight our alternative range.